review of a Bosch PSB drill and a impact driver. So it's the PSB 1800 Li-2 18 volt lithium ion cordless drill, and also included in the pack is the PDR 18Li 18 volt lithium ion cordless impact driver. So what you get with this pack is the two batteries powering both of these. You also get the charger, and it's got the Sinian chip, which I think is the protection circuit for the battery. So this pack I bought, I've got it, it was new, unused, so maybe a return, I don't know. It's £100 for both these drills. You can get these packs brand new off eBay or Amazon for about £170. So let's have a look. This is replacing my existing Bosch drill I've got. I think it's a PSR 14 volt. What is it? It's not NiCad. NIMH. So these are the battery packs. 2 amp hour, 18 volts. Looking at that, it looks like it can take a 4 amp hour battery. But in this pack you get the two 18 volts, 2 amp hours. Then you get the charger. One thing surprised me was that when this arrived, I thought the box was going to be bigger than this because my current drill wouldn't fit in there. That's the charger. Batteries just fit into place. Just working out how this goes. Oh, there they are. They're the contacts to the charge point. So it just goes in there. Clicks into place. So up, lip there. Have to push in. Oh, this isn't very good. Hang on. Not sure I like that design. You have to basically push under there and then push in to charge the battery and then pull it out. Don't know, it's just different, isn't it? Anyway, that's the charger. Instructions. For the drill, my Bosch. Register now and get 3 years warranty. That might be worth doing actually. One of those things you don't tend to do, you just can't be. Register online to take advantage of an extra year's warranty for your DIY power tool. We'll have a look at that. I think I will do that because nothing lasts forever. Right. Some things last less than 3 years. Okay, so looking at this, we've got the Bosch PDR 18Li. So this is a compact generation expert. Charger and battery sold separately, but we've got those there. 18 volts, 155 mil, 15.5 centimeters, compact applications, long life, soft grip, and a load of stuff on the back. So let's have a look. But like I say, these weren't as big as I expected. If I'd been into a shop, you sort of know what you're getting. But this is the impact driver, so these things, you do get one bit with this, and you've got the instruction. Let's tidy up a bit. You do get the instruction book to go with it in millions of different languages. So here we have the impact driver. Quite nice to hold. Again, these can be used not only for screws but all sorts. You get the hex fitting and you can put the sort of small sockets on. I don't think you'll be undoing wheel nuts with this, but certainly, yeah, nuts and bolts that are difficult to get off, say brake calipers or something like that. I guess this would be ideal for that. But I've seen also you can get the hex drill bits, so you can actually drill with an impact driver. Some people say that they don't really use a normal drill anymore, they just use the impact driver. Whether or not that's true, I don't know. The battery fitting just slides on. Should do. It's all one-handed. There we go. And then we got forward and reverse. Bit of sparking on the motor there. Not brushless this. I think they're kind of professional range. I can't remember, GDR? I don't know. Blue ones, basically they're the kind of like the ones that are brushless motors and go on forever, but for DIYer, occasional use, which is me, I'll be using these. If I get the battery off, we'll leave the battery on. So that is the impact driver, and then of course we've got the drill. So the drill, this is where I was a bit kind of, is that it? That's small. It's small, but it's still quite powerful. I'm going to do a test against my old Bosch drill in a minute, and we'll see what the comparison is with screwing and drilling. So that'd be interesting. But yeah, that's the drill. Not too heavy, not too heavy. Behind me. So what we'll do is put that on there. So there you go. That is the set you get with this combi box. Looking good. I did review a Lidl's drill, which was 18 volts, and I thought it was alright at the time, and then after using my old Bosch drill 14 volts for a couple of minutes, I thought, no, this new drill's no good. So this is what I thought, I'd go for a Bosch upgrade. Not quite into the Makita range of stuff really. So yeah, that is it. That's the just reading original Bosch. You get all of that kind of stuff, stickers and bits on. But so that's the look at the drills. I think what we do next is get into some impact screwing, and also I've got some small sockets, so we'll try some bolts, I think, see what happens with that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we're going to move on to the next bit. So here we have the test outside. So we got the drill, my old drill on the right, which is quite a bit bigger. As you can see, it makes the new drill, look like the impact driver, which is really weird. So yeah, quite a size difference there, and a bit of weight difference as well. So my chunky old drill, and the slimline compact one, and there's the impact driver. So here we go, let's get a hex bit holder, just push that in and then pull the collar, and then that locks into place. And then it's a case of just pushing in. There's no speed settings or anything. I used it, so I didn't put enough pressure on it, so I ended up kind of mutilating the screw head a bit. So yeah, we had to get the proper bit and then put that in the hex bit holder. And we just shoot off with another screw. So yeah, impact gun's really good. Driver, the drill and a screw, and it was pretty rubbish. Yeah, the impact's brilliant. As you can
see they just go in really quick and come out really quick. A little bit of getting used to, but yeah, they're very good. A bit difficult in one hand, and then the impact driver in the other. Not always the best way of doing things. That was the screw head that I messed up. And there's a screw head that hasn't been messed up. Be interested in using it for screws you can fire in. So that's the impact driver with the screws. So here we have the drill, the impact driver in the middle, and then my old drill on the right. So I think it's this point I start looking at possibly doing some sort of comparison. 14 volt, 18 volt lithium ion, 2 speeds, double collar on the back on the new drill, we get a couple of bits out, number 8s, 8mm. Then we just do a test between the old drill and the new drill. So there's the collar, that's it, drilling, speed number 2, and then the other bit of the collar is the resistance or whatever it is. So here we go, the dual. Just setting the camera up. The old drill started off well, and then but they're both fully charged. So, but to be honest, I don't think there's much in it between the old and the new. I just didn't think there's a lot of difference in the speed. Depends how the gearboxes are put together, the gearing, I guess. You know, you don't. They can be tuned. I guess they're just tuned to the point whereby they do most tasks well, and not particularly suited for, say, masonry over wood, or so. Yeah, I think that's why that was. What do I do next? I start to look at the socket holder, hex socket holder. They're my little sockets I've got. And then all I'm doing here is firing those into wood. Bolt head. There I'm roofing, fixing bolts. So just pop that on the end. Give that a go on the block of wood. It's another good test. I think I'm more interested in the impact driver here than the drill, and probably I can see myself. Pretty efficient stuff. No pre-hold, no pre-drilling, straight into solid wood, or a solid bang, done. And then just removing them. And at that point I thought, oh, I wonder what it's like on removing really rusty old screws from decking boards. They can be a nightmare to get up. I've done it with drills before, but yeah, I was trying to see how these came out. Pretty much with ease. It just breaks that contact, that sort of fused rust, wood, rot, and then they just pop out. As you can see, they're quite rusty old nails. So good for removing rusty nails. I think that's about it really. Overall I'm pleased with it. Like I say, I got mine nearly new, or new and returned, I don't know, but yeah, I was expecting slightly bigger drills. Probably be worth checking these things out at B&Q or another DIY place before you go ahead and buy, just to get an idea of the size and that. But overall, yeah, really chuffed. I'm going to get some hex bits and some adapters on the impact driver, so I can connect up my sockets that I've got. That'd be quite good. That's the 2 collars on the drill there. So yeah, hope you like this video. Subscribe, hit the old notification.